Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening settings and going straight to display. Once there, find adaptive brightness. It's the system-level feature that automatically varies screen output based on sensors. Turn it off now by tapping the toggle. This is the primary action that stops automatic brightness changes. Make sure you don't confuse it with eye comfort shield or blue light filters. Those affect color, not automatic adjustments. Once done, the screen will stop reacting to ambient light for brightness changes. Once you've disabled adaptive brightness in settings, pull down Quick Settings to confirm there's no duplicate adaptive toggle active. Samsung sometimes mirrors that control. You should then set the brightness slider manually to your preferred level so the phone keeps that value. Make sure Eye Comfort Shield or other display modes are off or set separately because they can change perceived brightness. Also, make sure ambient light sensor access isn't being re-enabled by a third-party app. You'll address that next if needed. To finalize, reboot the phone so the system commits the manual brightness preference. If the screen later reverts to automatic changes, make sure no third-party apps, battery savers, automation tools, or display managers have permission to modify system settings. Revoke those permissions or uninstall the app. If problems persist, reset only system settings or remove suspicious apps rather than doing a full factory reset. That troubleshooting step resolves almost all cases where automatic brightness keeps returning.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.